Let's be honest. Not everyone has the time, money, or motivation to go to the gym every day. But that shouldn't stop you from reaching your weight loss goals. Welcome back to Vitality Fitness. I'm your host, and today we're sharing 7 simple habits to help you lose weight without a gym. Habit number 1, prioritize your sleep and aim for 11 to 9 hours of quality rest. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and can lead to cravings and weight gain. Habit 2, drink a full glass of water before every meal to help distinguish thirst from hunger. Water helps you feel fuller and can naturally reduce portion sizes. Habit 3, increase N.E.A.T, which is the energy you burn through daily movements. Small choices like taking stairs or walking during calls add up to hundreds of extra calories burned. Habit 4, practice mindful eating by turning off distractions and savoring each bite. Eating slowly helps you enjoy food more and prevents overeating. Also include quick bursts of movement like a 10-minute walk to boost daily activity. Add more whole food vegetables to your meals for volume and nutrients. And focus on consistency over perfection to build lasting habits. Remember, small habits lead to big results, so pick one and start today. Which habit will you start with today? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Vitality Fitness.